Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Colonel Shahid Mas'ud, and I was leading the evacuation phase of this operation, which is understandably and undeniably the most crucial stage of this operation. And as the overall commander of the operation mentioned, but as leader of this phase, I was also receiving direct and repeated instructions from the Army Chief Field Marshal himself through my IGFC. And the instructions were very clear and crisp that absolutely no harm should come to our children. And there was zero tolerance for any casualties. So we had to plan it with a lot of deliberations and patience. When this evacuation operation was planned, the enemy was fixed and pinned in the academic block, but he could access all the houses that were around those blocks. The Army Chief had sent their best resources to us, including the SSG team, and we placed our best resources in front of all those blocks, putting our kids in the rooms inside, on the floors for tactical reasons. And they did make a formidable and a very strong firewall with only one ambition: they would not let them touch our children. When the enemy was contained, we started the evacuation process. The time chosen was deliberately in the light hours,